being excellent is actually going to help a lot of people, and myself included, has already helped me to really get out of that rut. You know what I'm saying? When you fall into that despair of life and you see everything that's going on and you're just like, what's the point? Well, the point is you're still here, and you know you can still do some good in the world. You can still create that happiness for yourself by creating happiness for others. So you know, take pride in what you do, and you know, when you do that, man, it makes everybody else's life easier, which is going to make your life easier. You know what I'm saying? So we need to be examples of that.